Meeting Christoph Zoller is always a great pleasure, be it in India or be it in Germany. I am so happy today talking to him because Zoller is celebrating their 80 year.
80 years anniversary this year, yeah.
And you started it from India.
IMTEX show is the first show in January, biggest event around this manufacturing world here in India and Southeast Asia, and certainly much attention around the world because India at the moment certainly one of the only market which is an increase to be seen. All other markets have somewhere some trouble, and India is trouble free. So IMTEX show is a good event for us to start our anniversary year with 80 years of Zoller.
Next, the entire 2025 is going to be celebration in Germany, in US, in many markets where Zoller is present.
Yeah, celebration. We have to work hard because in many markets the business is challenging and we have to work. We don't think about always celebrating. We can celebrate our company every day. We are very proud of it. If it's 75 years, 76 or 77 or now this year 80 years, certainly it's a remarkable stage which we want to celebrate, and we will have some events turning up to September because actually September 1 is the actual birthday, the starting foundation day of our company. My grandfather started Zoller in 1st of September 1945. It was just a few months after the Second World War ended in Germany, and certainly Germany was destroyed at that time, and my grandfather's skill was used to rebuild things, many things, yeah, machines, toys, butchery machines, bakery machines, bicycles, and also in our city there were the American army, and the Americans, they were all smoking, and my grandfather, he made lighters to start the smoking, the smokes, and so the Americans, they came to us, got lighters, and my grandfather got food for his family. Yeah.
2007, IMTEX started in
Bangalore.
You were there that time.
Yeah.
When there was a lot of chaos, now we have a metro coming here.
Yes.
It took years, but you had that confidence in the Indian market when it was taking the steps towards modernization, automation, when people never knew that how a preceptor can really help.
Yes.
So how was the journey and how you feel today?
When I started in 1994, for me it's now 30 years working in Zoller. We had about 10% export and 90% business in Germany, and over the years we turned this around to 10% in Germany and 90% export from Germany. For this we are very proud, and for us certainly the big markets around the world are important. In India, I felt during my first visit in 2007 to IMTEX show, like the energy you said earlier, I felt already the energy from our visitors, from our customers, and I felt that this is an important market for us at the time and also in the future. And so for this we established Zoller in India, and we are today established company in India with our product. We can say we are the market leader for tool presetter, tool measuring machines, tool management systems, and certainly also in the future maybe for automation related to cutting tools. And therefore we are very proud, and we are actually very happy that we are now in this market. And I feel today, if I see this crowd and I see IMTEX show increase to now, I heard over 1,000 exhibitors, then I'm very happy that we are already here. Because if we would have started today, then it would be much more difficult to get into the market. So now we are part of this industry and we can benefit from the growing, either further growth in the next years.
What I believe is that the people makes a country.
Yeah.
And in India, when you come to see manufacturing, it is small people, their thought process that are built here.
Yes.
Germany was very known for its engineering.
Sure.
But for us, we are now going to that level of advanced engineering. And I believe a company like Zoller have added value to Indian manufacturing. I strongly believe
Yes,
that.
our company, certainly with our product, we have a small product, we have a niche product, but if our product is used, it makes a difference for companies, absolutely. And I also have to mention that because we are here in hall number 4, and next door is hall number 5. And hall number 5 is unbelievable, because I see companies from India in the last years since I come here, and the jump what they even have done in the last 2 years is unbelievable. I can just some companies congratulate on how much energy they put in developing more products and developing more functions and features, and have now such a display available here on the IMTEX show. This is very impressive. Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time again. I would love to talk to you, as I told you that,
Yeah.
you are a great inspiration to me. And I wish you all the very best for
Yes.
Germany. I am sure Germany is going to, as you rightly told, it is business or anything, it's nature, it goes ups and down. It is just matter of time where Germany is going to come back, and we want Germany to come back. With that engineering, what they have given to the world, I believe India and Germany can have great collaboration.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Zoller. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.